Guys, here is 1, 2, 3 play. I'm not by myself. I'm with my niece. So let's go to the light over there. You're gonna hear some noises, but that's okay. So we will meet you there. And guys, we are here. So let's go right here. So get the fidget spinners. We're gonna do a fidget spinner video.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a fidget spinner video. So here is our fidget spinners. So tell them, Alexa, tell them which one is yours.
This one. These are two of his.
Yeah, these are mine. Explain yours.
Mine? So I don't know why, but when I got it at Swami, it had this screen. You can't even see it. You can't see it because it has green.
Look, guys, she's great. The thing of you. Let's
No.
go over here. She's great when she got it. Oh, you can't see it.
No. And the other
Wait.
side, and the other side,
Wait,
it has this
you see
little
it?
wax.
Yeah. So, guys, that sucks. So, let's open mines then. So we will be like this. So ready, set, boom, boom. Oh my gosh. Just kidding, guys. So we will meet you there when we are done. When we open our fidget spinners. So guys, here is my first fidget spinner. Looks nice.
And we go get his other one. And here's his other fidget spinner.
Yeah, but not right now. Look.
It lights up. And his doesn't light up.
Oh, look at the camera. Looks nice.
Oh!
So we will turn on the lights right now. So we will meet you guys there. So she will introduce her fidget spinner. Introduce them, like explain them.
My fidget spinner truly spins.
Give a like. Put hashtag rose pink, rose gold if you like hers. So guys, here is mine. So here is mine. Mine makes a noise. And here's my other one.
His makes a noise too.
It lights up, but
in the dark.
But it does not work. It doesn't go that fast.
Mine too.
So we will meet you guys there. Alexis. Guys, we will meet you guys there when we're gonna time our fidget spinners. So let's see who's gonna win. Hashtag gold. You think this spinner's gonna win? Or hashtag rose gold is this spinner's gonna win? And hashtag this blue spinner if this one's gonna win. So we will meet you there when I get my phone. And I got my phone, guys. So I'm gonna time it. So let's do that, guys. So Alexa, you wanna hold the phone to see? Alexa, you have to.
Okay.
I can't do it. So let's see, is that good? Okay, so we're gonna spin it. So ready, set, go. Ooh, already 6, 7, 8 seconds. It's still going strong.
His is going to win.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I think his. Because it's going
Oh,
fast.
I think it's going slow. It's slowing down. Look at this fidget spinner.
I like them. When I first
It's
saw,
still going strong, guys.
when I first saw the fidget spinners, I was so weird because I didn't know what those are. But there's a boy and he was like doing it on his finger.
Now let's see the time. Oh, already 1 minute. Not bad at all. Oh, it's slowing down. It's still going strong, guys. Woo! It's still going. It's still going. Oh my God, Alexa's still going.
Now it's going to win.
Oh, it's going. It's slowing down, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Boom. 1 minute and 37 seconds. So we will write that in our paper. So I will meet you guys there. No, I will meet you guys there when I get my paper. So guys, we got my paper. So my spinner is 1 minute and 37 seconds. Oh, here's my mom. That's my mom right there. Okay, so 1 minute and 30 seconds. Not bad. So we're gonna do Alexa's spinner. Okay, are you put it in the ground, Alexa? You can't put it on the. Okay. Ready, set, go. No, you can't do that. She already messed up. Okay, so ready, set, go. Ooh, it's going strong.
Do you see them smiley face?
Yeah, I think I see it too.
When I first got into it, I was so excited.
18 seconds, 19. Seriously, Mom? Seriously? Seriously, Mom, you said you're not going to do nothing.
And she did.
It's still going strong. I think it's going to go more than mine.
I think mine's slowing down.
44 seconds already. Oh, it's still going strong. Ooh, ooh. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see if she can pass my score. It's still going strong. Oh, I think she's gonna win. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my God, guys. I think she's gonna win. Guys, I'm scared. Come on, guys. Come on, vote for me, guys. And vote for her. Say vote for me. Say vote for me, Alexa.
Vote for me.
Oh, it's slowing down. And she is winning. Oh my God, she won mine. I'm gonna do a rematch.
No,
I'm gonna do a rematch.
there's no rematch.
Yes, there is, Alexa. We're gonna do 2 more, guys. Oh. 1 minute and 55 seconds.
That's a lot.
She won, guys.
Me. Let's try this one. This one's going to 1 to 100 because I tried it.
Okay, do that one. Wait, not right now. Not right now. So, ready? No, not that way. This way. So, ready, set, go. 3 seconds. That is bad.
Told ya.
So, Ding, ding, ding. Round 2.
I spin it?
No, I spin it. No, I didn't spin mine. So hold the camera. Show it to them. Okay. Ready, set, go. Look at that, guys. There's 3 rounds, so let's see if I can win the other round. Look at that, guys. And the other round, we're gonna do with our fingers.
I'm gonna win with my finger. And we can do like them so long. I did my them.
What? It's always slowing down. Seriously, Mom? Seriously. What? It's already slowing down. No, keep going, dude. Keep going. Come on, spinner.
It's good too.
Already 1 minute, guys. That's not bad. Come on, go more far.
6, 10, 11,
Seriously.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Alexa,
28,
stop.
30.
1 minute and 31 seconds. That is bad.
I won.
No, you have to do yours now.
Yeah.
So hurry up. We can only do like 15 minutes, Pit. Come on, hurry up. Ready, set, go.
Oh, it's going up.
That one's strong. We're gonna twist it. Dang, guys. We're doing it. She's doing it. She's gonna win. I think I'm gonna win. Yeah.
Oh, guys. Today we're going to the beach.
Yeah, they already know that. Leave a comment down below if you know that, guys. You're funny.
He's funny too.
Oh, it's already slowing down. Uh-oh. Whoa. Stop. 1 minute and 3 seconds. I won. Now round 3.
Ooh, what?
We will meet you guys there. Okay. Now round 3, guys. Let's do this.
Let's show them this. Right now.
Ah, I didn't start.
Do I do this? Should I do this?
Go.
Look at it. That's cool. Because if you do the fidget spinners, they like do down, and look. If
We have 1 more minute. Hurry up, spinner. I think we can do Alexa's fidget spinner. So sorry, guys. So we will meet you guys there when it's done. Mine went to 1 minute and 48 seconds. So we will meet you there when hers is done.
He won.
Guys, I won. She went to 49 seconds, so I won. The other one went to 5 seconds, so yeah. So guys, subscribe, leave a comment down below. So peace out.